Hey guys, this is Courtney, and today I'm coming to you showing you another video on the top 4 ways millennials can make money online using the internet. So stay tuned, and I'm going to give you 4 ways millennials can make money online using the internet. So, okay, let me get it to you guys, all right? So I want to start off by going through just a few things that I've learned and that have helped me. I personally used on the side. Sorry, that's my daughter making noise over there. That I personally use on the side that has helped me make extra income online and helped me put some income towards my business too. So first things first, just designing websites. Like, yes, if this is something that you're not familiar with or you're not interested, or if something that you could be interested in, it's very popular out there. A lot of businesses are in demand for designing websites and whatnot. So a very common website I'm going to introduce you guys to, and you may be familiar with this too, it's called Upwork. So it provides the opportunity for new designers to get like their first clients and whatnot. So let's go on over to Upwork. It's basically freelancing where you can get it done with this. You could grow your business through this, and you can also help be an assistant for anybody else's business too. So it's a pretty cool site. I know some people that have used it, and it's brought in great income for them, and it's worked wonders. So we've got a whole pool of people on here. You got web developers, mobile developers, designers, creatives, virtual assistants. You could do anything. I know some people that are virtual assistants. And on top of building their business, they even do that too and make extra income for other people. Sales and marketing experts, accountants, consultants. So you could do a lot with this and make money, either helping grow your own business or somebody else's business and whatnot. So here goes another way millennials can make money online. And I know you guys are probably sitting there wondering, like, Courtney, are you even a millennial? Like, and I am. I'm more like the older end, but I am a millennial, which is pretty funny. But I still got that millennial drive, you know what I'm saying? But write an ebook. Like, cool thing about it, you can sit there and write an ebook about some of your passions, or how do you make money online, stories. It could be fictional or non-fictional. Ebooks still sell well. I mean, a lot of times you can find free ebooks, but people still pay money for ebooks. So you can use Amazon Kindle, Apple iTunes, anything where you can get eyes on it, get digital readers on it that can read it. You can still make money doing that. So number 3, another top way that millennials can make money online using the internet is Fiverr. Man, I'm gonna tell you this, right? I love Fiverr. Like, I use it all the time. Whether it's, hey, for example, ebook. I actually had somebody write me an ebook and I sold it. Like, and I did pretty good selling it. So it's like stuff like that. Like, you necessarily don't have to be the writer. You know, you really don't. It's crazy, but you really don't. But, I mean, there's other gigs like how to design my YouTube channel or how to design my Facebook cover. Like, there's so many gigs that you can order on Fiverr for real cheap. I mean, it's crazy. And then on top of that, you can even make this a part side of your business. You can make money from doing this stuff. So you could set up, like, here we go. We got graphics design. Let's say that you're good at designing banners and ads or something. Or, like I said, Facebook cover. Boom. Start doing that. Start selling. Like, Canva.com is a good one. Like, I know people that use Canva, which is mostly a free service. They will use Canva, design something for somebody, whether it's an Instagram post or an ad or something like that. And then what they'll do is they'll charge people for it. I mean, it's crazy. I mean, they'll still charge people for it. When basically you can do it yourself. But you know, a lot of people, they don't want to do that stuff themselves. Like, sometimes I'm like, I would rather pay somebody like $5 for it or something like that. But also digital marketing space. I'm definitely in digital marketing right now. A lot of millennials you be a social media expert for somebody in their business. You could do that. Writing, translation, resumes, proofreading. You could do all, hey baby, you could do all stuff like that. Video, animation, and whatnot. So there's music, there's audio. Say hi, Zozo. Say audio. Business. Like, you could even do stuff like that. Be a virtual assistant, you know, for somebody else in the business. Or you can do fun lifestyle stuff. Like, they got crafts and stuff. Whatever your passion or whatever you're good at, you can do it and sign up on here and people will pay you for it. So, okay, let's move on, guys. So Fiverr is it. Whether you buy in or whether you're setting it up as an extra income for yourself. So last but not least, sell clothes on eBay or Poshmark. I love Poshmark. Everybody knows eBay, okay? Everybody knows about that. But Poshmark, I mean, this is where it's at. I even buy clothes from Poshmark, even the kids' clothes. Hi. Even the kids' clothes. Even this, I got Fabuletics. It's like a workout brand by a celebrity. I even bought this off of Fabletics. And I'm telling you straight up, like this shirt is probably like a $50 shirt or something. I literally paid like $10 for it on Poshmark. But what I'm saying is you could buy from it and you could sell off of here. Like you can create your own store on here and take pictures of your clothes or whatever it is, shoes, accessories, whatever, and you can just sell it. Sell it off of here. So it's like a consignment shop, thrift store online, you know, and people buy. You'd be surprised people buy. But let's see, like right here, you got your trending now and stuff. Oh, look at this, bare minimum selling like makeup and stuff. I mean, it's just crazy. Oh, I know, baby. I know. Okay, she's up. Okay, I'm gonna make this video quick. This is the joys of being a mom and working from home. But I hope you like this video, guys. Please look at these 4 ways that you can start making money online. Whether it's designing websites, writing an ebook, doing gigs on Fiverr, even selling and even bringing in money from Poshmark. I mean, you could do it. You could sell it or you could buy it. I do a lot. Like Fiverr, I sell and I buy. Same with ebooks and whatnot. But I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned for my next video. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. All right, guys. It was great talking to you. And don't forget to leave me a comment or something or leave me a message or whatever. All right. Say goodbye. Say bye-bye, Zozo. Say bye-bye. Bye.